Standing at the bus stop with my shopping in my hands when I'm overhearing elder ladies as the rumors start to fly. Hear them in the schoolyard, in the scrapyard, in the chip shop, in the phone box, in the pool hall, at the shoe stall. Every corner turned around. Starting with a schoolgirl who was running home to her mom and dad. Told them she was playing in the change room of the local football side. I said, tell us again. She told him again, tell us the truth. He found it hard to believe, cause he thought I was Steve. Even trained me, thought Uncle John was a father of three. Only takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. See it in the classroom of a swimming pool with a matchstick man and man. At the scouts hall, at the football, where the wives we trust the pay. They all honor his name, did a lot for the game. Got his name knocked up above the sports ground gates. Now they're ripping them down, stamping the ground. Picture colors dust in the barn. The land it takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. Wake up, smell the rain. Shake up, he's back to stay. Hasn't been on a holiday. Growing seeds, don't believe what he's been schoolyard, change room, playing fields, bathroom, phone box, office blocks, corners turned around. He kept out in the flame, tossing the blame. Got his name knocked up above the sports ground gates. Now they're ripping him down, stamping the ground. Picture gathers dust in the barn. The only takes one tree to make 1,000 matches. Only takes one match to burn 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. 1,000 trees. She'll say something that she don't wanna if you make it alright. And I'll take something that I don't wanna if I stay here tonight. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for. I feel filthy, but I still like it. And while I get home tonight, I feel guilty, but I can hide it until I'm out of sight. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for me. I don't wanna be the last to leave. Wait for. Now I see your conscience is wrapped round your ankles, and you